हाँ. The call and then kind of take you guys. All right. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you for joining in. Everybody who's joining in, I'm really, really grateful. I'm Aradhna Tiwari, Access Consciousness Certified Facilitator and an empowering coach and the founder of Be the Change page and your friend who plays with you every day and you play along. I'm so, so grateful for everybody of you to be here in my life today, joining me here live and all your expectations, projections, rejections, conclusions you have around me, who I be, what I be, and how I be and what I be with Shivangi and me as a date. Can we let that go, please? Thank you, and thank you for. And can we all lower down the barriers? Barriers are all the thinking, all what I be thinking, who I be. I know about access. I know about this healing. This is nothing healing. Nobody can heal anybody. Only you can heal yourself. And I'm just a medium and a facilitator who can just facilitate your question back to you so that you have awareness of what you are looking for. So I am actually not here as a healer. I'm here just as your friend who can contribute whatever I can and whatever you take from here. If anybody needs Hindi, let me know. I will talk in Hindi as well, and then I will translate into English for people who cannot take Hindi.
Aradhna,
Just a moment. And today's topic is find me and find money, right? I guess so. My Shivangi darling is not here. So I think that's a find me, find money. So awesome. So we'll start with the call. Yes, who was there?
I'm Ruchi from Udaipur.
Yeah, Ruchi.
Can you please increase the volume? I'm little not able to hear it.
Is it for everyone, guys? I think you'll have to wear the earphone.
Yeah,
I'm
Okay,
able to hear you.
fine, fine,
it's
fine.
pretty clear.
You can hear.
Okay, I wear my earphones. Yeah.
Thank you for that. Awesome. All right. So everything money means to you guys, as Sunana said, everybody is talking about money. So everything money means, and still money is greater than us. Can we let that go first? And everything whatever you've learned from your parents, whatever you've learned from your surroundings, and whatever you know about money, can we let that all go for like this an hour? And after that, while going back home, you want to take it, or move forward and change it today. And I desire that, and that's my demand of this call, that anything you require and anything that brought you to this call to be probably you would have it while you're on the call as well. So be willing to receive it however you receive it. It's not going to show up in the form you're asking, but it's going to show up for sure. So have your demands on, and are you willing to have $100 million every day? And anything that doesn't allow, can we let that go?
Yes.
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 Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And let's be the change. So, what are your questions around find me? Why do I say find me, find money? Because for me, if you actually change money equal to you, what would that sound like to you? As I've also spoken this about on this in earlier call. So if you is equal to money, and everywhere you think money is not coming to me, I'm not coming to money. Money, I don't want money. I don't want me. Can you really fill in the blanks wherever you're putting the money is equal to you today? And then ask your questions. How can you cheat money? So Ramneek had a question before. We said how to deal with cheaters. So how to deal with cheaters is we can only see cheaters if we are the ones. And if we are cheating, we can only see them. So who are we cheating? Ourselves or somebody else? We think we're cheating the world, but we're cheating only us. So everything that is, can you change it today at the count of three, guys?
Yes.
See? So where in your life are you guys cheating you? Where is you not as important or as greater as money is in your world? So Kavita,
Every place.
every
Like
place.
I don't see myself that important, and moreover, when I get when we judge people and we are not willing to be that energy also. Like
Not
if
with that.
somebody is cheating, we are not willing to be completely aware, and we are not willing to be that witty and clear.
All right.
Because we get na sharam karo, ye wo, that shame and distractor implant and blame,
But who says so?
control.
Who says so? Control karo, sharam karo, all do, be ashamed of yourself or be very careful, be present. They don't say that. They say be present. And whatever meanings you have taken is up to you. Nobody ever taught you not to do this. And people only talk about themselves, they never talk about you. Whatever they're gifting you is only good, bad, ugly. They're only gifting and knowing what they know about themselves. So if you, okay, that you received when you were growing up, but you've grown up until now, why are you still buying it? My question to you is that wherever you live in the past, how's your money going to change if you're going to live in the past? If you keep same recorder playing, it'll play the same song, right? Unless you take out the cassette or the CD, you would not change the song. So just a choice. And no choice is always also a choice. You don't want to make choices because you don't want to be judged, and that's fine. You have to acknowledge that it's okay for me. I don't want to be judged. It's fine. Yeah. So it's like be an allowance. That's what I talk about in every day on Insta also. Be an allowance of you. Okay, I don't want to be judged. I want to be, coming under everybody. I would love to be cheated. And it's not wrong, it's not right. If you allow yourself, only can you change it. If you're not willing to allow yourself, you'll keep repeating that pattern throughout the life, even you die until then. And it will come with a more bang. And that is how the disease happens in our body. And that is how we turn it into cancer. And that is how we die. So up to you, now or never. And why is so important? Like when you say people are cheating me of money, people are cheating you of you. Can anybody cheat you other than you?
That is what I'm not acknowledging what I am. I have started getting confused with my own self. What and who am I right now?
If you don't want to take a call, confusion is only when I do or I don't want to. You have an information, but you don't want to still take that step. But that's okay. And it's working for you. You also have to acknowledge that you are it's working for you. If it wasn't working for you, you would have changed it. So Helen says, now I know what the deeper meaning of people is talking about them, not others. Awesome. Yay, you get it, Helen. No,
So, Aradhna,
who's that?
Ruchi,
Yeah, Ruchi.
you just said a word, allowance, right, my dear? Like,
Yeah.
okay, we are not going by literal meaning, but like, if you have to talk about allowance, can you give me one example? Like, okay, this is allowance.
So it's like, say, example, you don't want to do what others are saying you to do in your
Okay.
family. And you say, my son is asking or my husband is asking, but, if I say no, it'll be rude. So your
Yeah.
family is going out, but I don't want to go out. And actually, I don't feel like going. What if the allowance has to be for yourself, that acknowledging, hey, I don't want to go. I know it's very important, but yet it's not working for me today.
Okay.
Allowance of you first, and then it's okay. And they still want to choose to go, not feeling bad about it. Oh, why did they not stop? Why did they not cancel? It's okay.
Perfect. Thank you, my dear. Yeah.
So Kavita has raised her hand. Kavita, you can unmute yourself and come here and talk. Even if someone bitching about you, allow it. Of course, that is so much of fun. Let them bitch. You get so much of money when the people bitch. I to poke people to bitch about me. And the funniest is now people don't even bitch about me. Bitch about me, make me money, I'm happy. Because people who are only putting their energy towards me, say either they're bitching about me or saying good thing. Anything, they're flowing energy to me. I'm willing to receive with no point of view. Does Earth ever has a point of view of receiving anything? Does Earth say that why are you throwing anything on me? Why are you doing this? It still keeps gifting you. That is when you have to have no point of view. Hi, you are so. Oh, hello, Natasha. Of course, so are you, sweetie.
Hi, Aradhna. Rajeshwari here. I have a question.
I see your lovely, pretty face.
Yeah, hi. Uh,
Yeah.
is someone else asking question? No. Okay. You said that. Who am I? That like when we are not trying to change the situation. Maybe it's working for us, and that's why we are not trying to change. But sometimes we are uncomfortable with the situation. We want to change, but we're not able to. So how do
What
we?
else is possible there? And what do you have to receive from it? And what are you unwilling to receive from it?
Okay.
Ask that question. What am I unwilling to receive here? What can I change here?
So that should help.
Yeah. It's like, see, it's a ego. It's a target. It's your ego that is coming and stopping you to choose that, right? And if it's not working, it's not working. If it's working, it's working. So you're not willing to lose because there is already a preconceived answer to it. This is how control to it. That this is how it should have been done,
Okay.
right? So
That's like a little too much to digest.
I know you don't want to see who I be, what I be. Can you imagine if you're not willing to see who I be, what I be? Who the hell on the planet is gonna look at you, sweetheart? And
Yeah, so even actually I was thinking like, who am I? How do I know?
what if
Because
you're nothing? In this 10 seconds, you are a mother. In the next 10 seconds, what if you're a wife? In next 10 seconds, what if you're a girlfriend? So you can be any.
so
What
when I keep changing. So how do I make like how do I equate it to money in that case?
So money is also in every form. Money is in your form. Like so many of you here are different money to me. Everybody's money to me. You know, my home is money to me. Water is money to me. Food is money to me. Holiday is money to me. So everything is money. Money doesn't have one face, no?
Okay. Yeah, that was amazing. Thank you.
Oh, great, beautiful. So when you find you, when you are willing to find you, you're willing to have all the money. So if in future, I think I did this in my live also once, if everybody of you were on it, that if you actually convert from here onwards, anything that you convert and anything that is actually pinching you, convert that name into your name. It's an
As
easy.
in?
So it's like that person is not giving my money. That person is not giving Rajeshwari.
Okay.
You let Rajeshwari be there and you'll be F you. I'll kill you, but I'll have me back.
Okay.
Or is that you want to let them there be? It's okay.
Hmm.
How many spaces and places do you think that you cannot have you?
Hmm.
How can I get my money back from somebody? How would you get yourself back from anybody?
Hmm.
Simple.
Yeah.
And wherever you're making money greater than you, who needs money is my question. You, if you today die,
Hmm.
whatever your needs were, they're over.
Yeah.
So even they're lying in the bank or anything, what will they do? They'll belong to somebody else. Money,
Yes.
it will just move. For you, that money is over. Your life over, money over.
Hmm.
And what is the money for? It's just an exchange energy that you give this, you'll buy this. You'll give this, you'll buy a dress. You give this, you buy a car. Give this, you'll buy a house. Why do you think you cannot have enough energy from the planet? It's like how we do Reiki and we do other modalities. I am giving my energy. Is there a less energy in the world? Right now, everywhere is energy. Take as much energy you want to take from me. Ever be deleted with energy? Everything is energy.
But then money is more like the thing that gets exchanged.
Yeah. So you're exchanging. If you're like, how do I deal? I am like, CAB chahiye. I need this also. I need this. Okay, I require all this. Send me money, and it comes. How, where? I have no point of view. I keep knowing that I know it'll come. Where it'll come, where? I have no point of view of taking any kind of money. For me, there's no black money, no good money, no bad money. I'm willing to be money. Are you willing to be that and the prostitute and the whore of the consciousness? Or otherwise, see, her eyes went up. I'm willing to.
Yeah, something's holding me back.
So could you explain more about what you said on converting? Yes, Nena. So it's like, give me an example where you want to convert it to. Like, where do you make money so big? It's like, I'm not earning money. That's most of the women do, right? I'm not earning money. It's my husband's money. So he's
Yes,
money. This is such a
yes.
bullshit. None of the women were ever told by my husbands. This is a lie. And all the men here, I'm telling you, And they know it. They're like, at least somebody listens to us. But it's so true. None of the women has that thing. But then if you say that you're not part of that relationship, how you already walking out of that whole relationship? That it's not your creation. You created your husband, you created somebody or a father or a parent who are actually creating money for you. Yet at the same time, okay, what fun. What are the other revenue streams I can earn money with? How can I have myself from more of the stuff? How can I ask more things to come to me? Right? It's like having you and inviting every energy into your life. What if you can invite the whole planet or universe to your world and employ the universe to come to you with total ease? So wherever you
Thank you.
can't put it here, I can use. Like, but I think it's very. Sunana is equal to money, money is equal to Sunana.
Yeah, so that's what I just discovered today, that although I say I am money,
Yeah.
I do not acknowledge I am actually money. Saying it is one thing and internally acknowledging it is a very different ballgame.
Yeah, but Sunana, you have to acknowledge that at least you take step one, you take an action, and you're faking it, but you'll make it. There are people who are not even gonna fake it and not even like bullshit did you talk. Okay. It's like, how many people are willing to change and receive information we give here? But is it about the money? People won't show up even when it's available free. How many people take it? It's not about that. It's about how you want to take it, what point of view do you really want to change it. If you really wanted to change it, you would have changed it by now. It means acknowledge, I don't want to change it. This is what I love, what my life, whether it's relationship, whether it's money, whether it's eating, whether it's whatever. This, unless you will not look at it, you will not be able to. Period.
Okay.
You have to acknowledge it. You have to receive that about you. And it's nothing good, nothing bad. If you receive you, you're going to change it. If you're not going to, well, then you'll
I choose to receive me. I do choose that.
the cause in one day for sure. I always say at least somebody has taken one step forward, started walking one day, eventually they lose the weight and shed the weight if they start walking. So nevertheless, never give up, never give in, never quit. So who else does not have themselves with them? Who has less money? Who has problem with money? Who has a problem with themselves now? Tell me this. Today you better find yourself and then go from the space. Where are you lost? If you have to find you, where are you lost already? How many of you are lost already? And what are you lost? What are you losing yourself for?
Solving life issues,
Issues.
solving.
Thank you. Ramni, coming from you, I want to really, really bang you right now. Like, issues is like something, right? It's a check is issued in our lives. I mean, if you have enough checks, if you send my way, I'm happy to receive it. Only checks with money filled in it and some money in your bank, I'm happy to pay. No other issue I'm willing to take. Right? Issue is what everybody else has issued it. But you're buying, you have to acknowledge you're buying to be a good Ramneek. Because your underlying fact is you're not good. You have to prove to show the world that you're good. And when you prove good, they'll give all the money to you.
Yes.
But you'll never be good because the underlying
I'll never be good.
is not good. You yourself are telling I'm not good. That's why you're trying to prove that you're good. If you were good, would you work towards it? How many of you are working towards getting compliments? Which means you are not good. You're not good looking. You're not good enough. You're not a nice person. You're a bad person. And that is why you have to, any validation in life that you're looking for is equal to opposite of it for yourself, which you have already underlined. And then you do zillions of affirmations as what the girl, I'm forgetting her name, who joined us the first, she was telling me, who was new to this platform. And she said that, I don't know anything and nothing, but you don't know you, then it's not possible. Hey, Shivangi,
Yes.
my date.
Thank you. Thank you.
So are we here, Shivangi? Just a moment. Shivangi, are you there? Can we have our date also as well? Or you're busy dating somebody else behind my back? I think she's busy in her other date. All right. I'll also start dating somebody else now. Who was it now? Who was
Hi,
that?
can I ask? I'm Usha.
Yeah, Usha. Go ahead.
Yeah, I want to ask if somebody ditch you,
Hmm?
then how can we like?
How can anybody ditch you? Tell me that. You allowed somebody to ditch you, Usha, for what value? Usha? How? Tell me how. How did somebody ditch you? You allowed.
Like making a story to the
What that
to
reason?
the
What
to
value?
the management that Usha is not working well or what like that,
Mhm.
and then the principal or the supervisor get angry with me, and then but in front of me she talks on something else.
Mm. So, what are you believing true about it? You buying it?
No, I don't buy it.
You have to acknowledge somewhere you bought that story. That's why you're asking this question right now to me. Acknowledge. That's what I've been talking. That you guys need to acknowledge this. You're lying to yourself right now. So, dare anybody tells me I'll like F you. Dare anybody tells me that. And why would I buy it? Unless you do not have those point of views, nobody's gonna say it around you. And you think somebody's saying something about you is actually taking your job away? Is it possible? The person who's listening is also attuned to that person? Or is it something in your world that you're not willing to look at? Hello, hello, Shivangi, darling.
I am so sorry, guys. I was driving and I got
I
stuck.
know you were dating somebody else, darling. I get it. I'm over fading it out. It's okay.
Oh my God, no. How does how does it get better than this?
But it's possible. Yeah.
Ah,
Yeah. So Shivangi, I had been dating all these guys here, and they have been.
yes, yes, yes. I'm so glad you guys have kept my date company. That's how I cover up.
Yeah. So I was just taking their questions. So let me just take another question. And
Sure, sure, sure.
so Usha, start looking into it.
How how to be a killing energy, like
How to be anything. You
killing
don't.
energy.
I know how to be anything. How
Um,
do you smile? How do you be anything? Just be, right? If I come to you with a knife, would you allow me to kill you? Or I come to your child and start killing that child, would you let me do it? Or you know how to kill me then? So ask, it's funny, but how I asked once to show me killing energy, I totally get you, you don't get it. And I was like, oh, I'm too kind, which is bullshit. I'm the bitch, I'm the biggest bitch around. So I would like, no, I don't even know, how to kick anybody, kill anybody. I'm too kind, too kind. That was my underlying fact. And I think everything is opposite of what it means to you, nothing is opposite. So I was asking the whole day, universe, show me what is killing energy. I ended up fighting with somebody who was out of nowhere in the world, and I wanted to pick up the knife and cut her throat. And and suddenly I really had to pull myself down. I said, "What the hell? Who the hell is doing this?" And I was like, shit. And everybody got so paranoid because everybody was towards because I've been so sweet, kind. So everybody thought, oh, this Aradhana's not at fault. The other person is. And I'm like, no, 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 it's not the case, guys. It's something else. It's not. Don't blame the girl. It's something else. I totally get there's a different energy to it. And anyways, that whole conversation went to a very big thing. But in my head, it was very clear. There's something more to it.
No, show me how can we.
Oh, I've been asking since morning, show me killing energy. And I showed it and said, that is called killing energy. Like that whole temperament within that. Sometimes, how the earth gets tsunami, how earth gets uh, blizzards and stuff, because this requires to die. And dying is not bad. And, your kindness can also be the killing energy. But then with no point of view. If you have a point of view that I'm too kind, then you already have a point of view. So it's like, what is that person actually gifting you that you are unwilling to receive, Usha? How much are you bitching you? Yeah? That wake up, girl. All right, Seema, you had a question. Then I'll get Shivangi in.
Actually, my question is different, but like I don't have time for myself.
Interesting, lovely. How does it get any
Yeah. Yeah, does it get any better? And I buy all the old people, and like someone is always sick, so one person is just off, and the other suddenly goes to bed, and I'm looking after that person. And I don't know, I get a house, and I'm fully settled, and I'm just lost everything. So, and then I don't have time for myself. I'm only working.
Mhm.
I don't know what I'm buying here.
You'd okay. Thank you. Your point of view creates your reality. First point of view was I
3 times I don't know.
I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. I charge 1,000 for every I don't know. Okay. So I don't know, I don't know. You never send her money to me right now. Thank you for gifting me. So I don't know, you know it all. And
Hmm.
first underlying point of view is I don't have time for myself.
Yes.
You keep repeating, what is universe saying? Okay, you don't have time for. I will make sure that you're busy.
Oh.
Right? And then I don't know, I don't know. Universe, like, even if the information is flowing to you, like, I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
So your point of view is creating your reality. And then your third point of view was every time I do something, then this person goes to the bed, then I go to the this, then this person goes. So you're exactly creating. You're a potent creator. You just say it out loud and everything happens. Platter ready. So now that is when I say, listen, 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 listen to what you say. And
Oh. Thank you so much.
thank you for receiving. Yes, Shivangi, darling.
What's up?
I'm missing you.
Oh my god, I have no clue what conversations have
You know how
happened here.
it happens after a while that you get so used to, then you don't bother, then the date is waiting. How does that bother? My work is
Guys, it's one of those days when I have not met
woman.
her expectation and my expectations.
I'm being a woman right now. You know how
and
don't be a woman.
and I want to pose a question around that. That you see how I twisted it. Ramneek, right?
Unmute. Yeah.
Yeah. So that's exactly what my question is also going to be. Can I ask a question?
Yeah.
Am I allowed?
Today you're not allowed to do anything. Today I'm not doing that.
So just one question that sort of was really showing up for me was that this whole thing around expectations actually,
Mhm.
and this process of finding you and you having an ideal image of who you are and expecting yourself to be that and thinking that once I be that, will I also have the kind of life that I desire? How does really one sort of look into something like that? Like how does one sort of cope up with something like that? Because I have like an ideal image of who I wish to be, no matter how much and I know that I have come a long way in receiving myself um, as who I am, but there's still something that I desire to be. So is that me? Is that me, or what I am is me? And how do I sort of
So you
break that distance?
what is your question? That what you desire to be? How would you be that, or can you be that? I'm not there. What is exactly?
My question is that what I desire to be is something that looks distant from me of
That
who I am today.
that look distant to me.
Yeah.
That's it. It will always be distant. Like I was saying to Seema,
But then that is not me, or what? Like I think that if I find,
that is also
if
but
I become that, will I have money? You know?
that is also a point of view. No, that's when I stopped you. That is distant to me. Always be distant to you. That is my future. Future would never come to you. Future never comes. Distant.
But we also always parallelly live in our future, don't we?
So does that actually get created the way you want it to get created? Are you creating for the future or are you living in the now? Where are you? Then what is creating that future? You are not even there. So you were already in the future, which never came. In present, you were not even there.
But I seldom feel that I am in parallel worlds. Like I'm very much in the now and also in the future.
You're
Like
not feel anything. It can stop you from feeling anything. Did I stop you to have another affair right now? No.
no. It's legit. I am multi-dating.
Got it, darling. I got it.
Yeah.
Then I can't do anything about it. It's my feeling. Not it's
Right.
with you. That's not your problem. So if the feeling is what? Another point of view?
Yeah.
This is how we create in our lives.
So is it that I'm perceiving that it might be a problem for you?
Yeah. You're already perceiving it and then creating it, and rather than acknowledging it that wow, and that's an interesting point. And you can only perceive what you have created in your head.
Yeah.
It looks pretty complicated, but you create it, then you perceive it, and then you say you are the creator. Somebody else is the creator outside you. Anything that you create and conceive, first you conceive it, and then you pretend to perceive it.
This is
Point the finger onto me.
this is like linear way of how we go about things. You conceive it, then you pretend to perceive it, then you blame.
And then you have the whole drama of life.
Right.
Amrit has a question. Hope that gives you clarity how it is to be. You are in this very moment, whatever. So whichever you think that I desired that or I didn't desire it, I desire that kind of money, is also the underlying point of view that you cannot beat that. In my world, that never comes. There is nothing on the planet like I cannot do. Maybe it's not now. And if it doesn't, it's okay also. Why does that
Yeah. I have one more question, but I mean, maybe you can take the other question first.
Amrit, yeah. Can you unmute yourself?
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. So my question is about myself. All right. So I get very confused. I don't know what should I do. I mean, the thoughts are not free flowing. मतलब it's like okay, आपको सुबह उठना है, आपको काम करना है, और दिन वैसे ही खत्म हो जाता है. Okay, I don't know what should I do ahead. What will help me to become a better person? How will my struggles end? You know, and I have started meditating also, but I am not getting my answers. So
So did you listen to my earlier things which I was talking to Seema and Shivangi that your point
no,
is very valid?
no, actually I joined. I just said hi, and then there was an internet issue. I was not able to join back. So now the internet is stable, so I'm back again.
Can you change your this thing of saying I don't know first step
Okay.
first? Anybody who's joined in here for the first time and is not knowing what to do, stop saying I don't know and look into it. Is it really that I do not know? What am I choosing to be today? This morning I woke up. All right, today who would I like to be? You know, what grand glorious adventure day can I have today? Like ask yourself, what would I like to choose? Would I like to take care of the house? If I want to take care of the house, am I willing to be present with the house? Am I actually cleaning? Like I used to always ask when I was with my son, am I actually here just because I'm a mother? Or am I actually being present with him? And most of the time I saw I wasn't even present with him. I'm like, what the hell? Why am I standing next to him if I'm not don't have to be with him? And then I'm like, oh, that is a projection on me that I should be doing this, being a good mother. Right? So what if you
So it's like, see, sometimes, ma'am, you know, it's like, okay, you have a child, by hook or by crook, see, there are responsibilities on everybody, and you have to fill it. You know, you don't sometimes have a choice about it.
happen, Amrit? Responsibility will take your responsibility.
See, nobody.
And only Amrit is one who can take the responsibility of her family.
Correct.
Right?
Yes.
But then you don't think if you're in that 10 seconds, if you die, then who's going to take care of that? What if you don't take care from the space of the responsibility? Responsibility is the ability to respond quickly,
Okay.
right? It is not that you take a burden on yourself. What if you can actually do and choose what you really want to choose? So when you chose to have a child, you made a choice. Now that choice you made, say you'll have a baby out. You'll be a mother, correct? You have to be with that baby because you made that choice. When you have to be that baby, what if you can be more present and happier rather than doing for the heck of doing it? And if you be more present, might as well you might have to spend 1 hour than spending 24 hours with that child. And the child might be more happier than what you are being right now, just physically being present. Same is with your relationships, same is with your marriages and your any relationship for that matter. If you're there, ask yourself, are you here or are you somewhere there? And it's like most of the time we are checked out in our heads. We're not even present with what who we are being, what we are being for. And that is a state that we lose everything, we lose money, we lose things around us, and we are not willing to be present with ourselves. And that's the whole day might go out. And you won't even know it. The moment you start being present, that I choose to be happy, I choose to be present, I rather spend 2 minutes and be judged for the people saying that I'm a bad mother. But as long as I know it, that works for me. So stop saying I don't know, start being present, and stop proving. And be a bad mother, be a bad wife, be a bad girlfriend. And ask who said that, say Aradhana said that. And then tell me how your life went.
Okay. And how do I know myself better? How do I know what is the purpose of my life?
What if the purpose of life is just for fun? Who says that you have to have a purpose?
No, because I have read many books.
That I ever had for myself in my entire life.
Aradhana, if like just now we said like the purpose of life is to be just have fun, and that is for most of the people that is the most difficult thing to do.
It depends. Maybe for her crying is fun.
Anita ji, you're not allowed to talk unless you're showing us your face.
Yes, thank you, Shivangi, for saying that. Yeah.
So basically, I have read many books, all right. So in that, it is said that every human being coming on the planet has a purpose to fulfill.
Purpose is only to be present, Amrit. Enjoy everything. If you're being a wife, enjoy being a wife. If you're being a daughter, enjoy that being a daughter. First step first. And then come back to me ever in life.
Okay.
At least start.
Super.
Awesome. Thanks, Sunil. Yes, anybody else? Or I can take Shivangi. Now I'm happy with Shivangi. I mean, that was that 10-second choice. Yeah, Shivangi, go ahead.
You had the masturbation. Now you want to have sex with her.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And fun. I think sex is more fun.
Can I?
Yes, please.
Yes, please go ahead.
So, throughout this conversation, I understood one thing is first you have to acknowledge, right? So what comes after acknowledgement? Once you acknowledge, then you create.
Then you choice.
Then you choice, okay?
What would you like
and
to
then create.
Yeah, then it's creation.
Thank you.
I'm going to burn my hand and it's okay to then my hand burned. Just a choice.
And also, Aradhana, sometimes all of this happens pretty simultaneously, right? Not one after the other.
It might be in that very moment.
Yeah. So my question was that, this whole thing of finding you, it sounds like a process.
Nemo finding you. What was the name of the movie? Nemo finding you?
Finding Nemo. Oh, such a lovely film. So, like finding you, like it somewhere sort of sounds like a process to me, like, something that's going to happen. So my question is that a lot of times I feel like I would like things on platter, like why it has to be a process. Like, I wish I just knew and went with it and did the best thing that I can do.
But you're making
it is because I'm making it
a process. It is here now. Do
Yeah.
you know next 10 minutes? Like, did I know that on then when I start the call, you won't be that you won't be present here?
No, even I didn't know that.
So, do we know what is happening next moment?
No.
You know, somebody might say that you're pretty, looking so pretty. No, no. How do you know? So it's life is just full of surprises.
So then you are who you are in this moment.
Exactly. And you don't have to reach anywhere. What if you die in this moment? So you mean you've died incomplete? Like, what happened?
I won't be able to tell people also about it.
Yeah.
I'll have to become an entity.
Can you? Jackie, how will I tell people? क्या हुआ?
No, I'll become an entity hover around you.
And yeah. Guys, please do entity class because I'm going to hover around everybody if I die tomorrow.
Yes, you guys really have to do entities class. I mean, right now the number of participants that are there in this class are not what you are seeing. Totally. I am definitely carrying a lot of entities around me. In this moment, I know.
Awesome. Awesome. So hope that works.
Yeah. Yeah.
Guys, can I see your lovely faces? I just don't like these gray screens. Rather be not here. You can't even show up on the screens here, and then where are you going to show up? This is not an Insta live that we're doing. Come on.
And also like this just showing up thing that you're talking about, Aradhana, and how that much, how that is like I feel like that is related to creating money.
Totally. Totally.
Yeah.
If we cannot show up and we cannot show up like this and in the world, how's the money going to show up? That means money is not showing up to you as well.
Yeah.
Hi, Aradhana.
Hi, who's that? Hi, Vijaya. How are you?
Hi.
So
Are
nice.
you back?
Yeah, I'm forward, and I'm moving forward. Yes, I'm very much in Delhi, and I'm soon off to Kashmir.
Nice seeing you back.
Thank you. Thanks for being here, Sita.
Radhana, when we are saying that we are finding like us, isn't it? It's a comfortable distance between me and me.
Yeah, so a lot of people are not from Access, so that's why I was not using that term. But it's the distance that when people become very comfortable and somebody is really loving and nurturing and caring to you, you want to shun them off from your life, and you want to same. That is how you shun the money away from you, shun everything because you are so uncomfortable with your own self. You are not happy to be nurtured. You don't care, and that anything that keeps anything away from you is that you're not willing to be nurturing, caring, kind to your own beings, and you have a shame of showing up in the world. You have shame of anything that you have done in the past. You have shame around your parents. You have shame around your families. You have shame around your bodies. If you are so shameful about yourself, how's the world going to receive you? I mean, even
all the judgments like of your own.
Forget the judgment of the people, but I'm asking that.
No, your own.
How comfortable are you with your skin? How comfortable do you feel that your body, like I judged my body the whole life. And now there is a way that whatever my body is, I won't judge it at all. I'm like, I love you the way you are. It has shifted the whole energy in myself, and I've seen that. So this is like, I have this promise, and I get up in the morning, I'm like, okay, even if I go start being in the future, start being in the fear, all the blah, blah, blah I talk about, I'm okay to be it. Because I'm loud and I can. But not judge myself for this. That why did I do this? Why did I think that? Why am I talking this? I'm a good facilitator, bad facilitator. I talk this and I do something else. So just because I can. And be an allowance of my own self. If I be an allowance, the world starts being an allowance and everything starts showing up in my world. As I've been mentioning in my other calls. And
that is so beautiful way of putting.
Yeah, I mean, my life has been so open here, right? On all the calls and everything, that I did create my own issues, and I have my own, issues gifted by others, and I've been sending them back, and I've been present with, and I've actually created the financial situations also where I was not like, had to even think once, and now I have to think, and I'm like, wow. And yet today it was so funny that one of them, something happened with somebody, and I was like, why are we going like this? I don't like going like this. Let's just spend this much. And the other person's, no, we can't spend that much of money right now. I'm like, but why? And after 10 minutes in my head, I'm like, wow, where was I spending it from, by the way? I think that'll be gone. But then I actually looked into my world that I don't have that fear. Where, how, when it'll show up. But am I choosing? It's just like asking your dad or asking your parent, hey, can I have this? And I ask that from the universe, can I have this? Can I just go for a holiday like this? Can I just wear this? Can I do this? And it just shows up. Trust me, guys, I have lived my life, entire life like this. How it shows up, it manifests, it's consciousness gifting, but it's because I think I acknowledge and I'm grateful to everything in my life. Anybody who shows up, anything around me, say it's from a tiniest thing in my room to my life, to my hair, to everything, I'm grateful. Are you grateful? Are you present with your life? As what Amrit was said, that you don't even know where the whole day passes. How present are with you when you are not so present with your life, when you are so busy taking care of the other world? Who will take care of you? And that is when you lose all the money, you lose everything. Irrespective of the having the money, also you would not be probably with you. And it's not that people who have money don't have problems and issues. Yes, Amrit.
Okay, so this point I really liked it, that you should appreciate and you should be thankful for whatever thing you have. But now, if I am planning a trip, all right, and I know the reality, all right, that in my account I don't have money, all right. Now, I was planning to go to Ladakh during the pandemic. I mean, in the month of November during Diwali. But when I say that वो इतना खर्चा होने वाला है, then it is like कि यार, I know the reality. I don't have that much to spend. Then how do I go? So there is.
That's what I just said to you. You buy that point of real. I don't have a single penny. And then I'm like, okay, show it. I'm choosing wherever it goes. Maybe I have to send my jewelry, maybe I have to do whatever, but I am going. Nothing stops me.
So that means that if you really want to go, so should we sell our things? Is that what you're saying?
That I have not even sold a single bit of my anything.
Okay. So what should I do in that case?
It just comes. It's like
What else is possible?
Yeah, it's just a simple question. What else is possible? Who can show up? Who can gift me? Universe, show me. There are different ways of asking.
And I also wanted to.
How a naughty child does. Until the parent gives you, the child will keep poking you. I keep poking you. देखो मुझे जाना है, देखो मुझे जाना है, देखो मुझे जाना है, please भेज दो ना.
So is there any saying or is there any affirmation for that?
There's no affirmation. Affirmation is only made when you thinking the opposite of it is true, which will never change. And it might be once in a while, it might work out for you because you might have relaxed the opposite point of view.
Okay.
Affirmation is that the negative of it is already hardened. No affirmation, only question. We only operate from questions. What else is possible? Universe, show me magic, show me possibilities. And it's okay even if I miss out on one holiday. I'm not dying. I'm like, okay. It's like how a kid tells a parent, no, it's okay,
Okay.
And I've always done that. I always done that to everybody. It's like even my family, like, okay, nahi de rahe to mat do. And even I do it with all of my friends here. And they're like 2 days, like, play, yaar, pakad.
Radhana, I just wanted to ask you something. This is Sanju.
Yeah.
So, isn't that a conclusion that I really want is, or do you think we say that if it's a contribution to me, can it show up now?
To me, by the way. Sorry, I can't see who's talking to me right now.
This is Sanju.
Sanju.
Yeah, Sanju.
Can I see? I just.
Yeah, sure.
Go ahead now. What is not the conclusion? What did he say?
No, like if you say that I want this, or for example, she's talking about the Ladakh trip, and you say, yeah, I want is lack. Yeah, so I mean, the way you said, how a naughty child says that parent till the time they give it. So, do you think it's a conclusion, or do we say if it's a contribution to me?
Around it, then it's a conclusion. But I gave you the energy of a naughty child. Does a child ever conclude anything? The child never concludes anything. Child is okay. Yeah. When there'll be slap, parents would slap. They'll go after 2 days, next morning, Mama, please, can I have it? Right? They don't think it's thappad kyun mara. It's like I come to you and you slap me and I go back. I'm like, how dare someone touch you? I never come back to you, right? But I might you like Sanjay, you slap me. Please give me na. Then Sanjay will like, okay, Radhana le yaar, go. Right?
Okay, one thing that I wanted to check about, I mean, recently we've just been facing a lot of money issues since my husband lost his job. My job, like pay cut happened like 50%. And the house that we had given for rent, the tenant left and nobody's ever showed up after still, it's been 6 months. So how does it get any better? What else is possible? So would you please help me around with
The conclusions. How many conclusions are you living from?
some of the clearing statements about it?
None of the clearing statements. Clearing statements will only get you to the top. See what does clearing do? It makes you get to the point where you have to acknowledge. So you are like already concluded happening. I have the issues. I have no money. Interesting point of view. I have this point of view that I have no money. Interesting point of view. I have this point of view that my husband's job is gone. Interesting point of view. My point of view that my job is gone. Do the mantra. Join the Facebook group. It's still a month to go. Right? We had 100 days challenge. I'm saying do 3 days. Pick up.
Okay.
You can't, guys, repeat one line in your head and you want to change the world.
The line is interesting point of view, my point of view.
Yeah, interesting point of view. I have this point of view. Interesting point of view. My husband has this point of view. Interesting point of view. Whosoever it is has this about me. Interesting point of view. I have money issues. Keep repeating these lines, man, and your life will change. Magic. It's not a simple line you guys can't do. Then wonder what you want to do.
And I'd like to budge in here. All the people who are asking affirmations tools, Aradhana is coming up with money workbook from 21st to 30th October. And this money workbook does not talk about money really, but it talks about you and, receiving you in totality. And it is brilliant. I mean, we as a team have been doing it, I think, for past 6 months now. And we are committed to doing it every month. And it has changed our realities. It has moved so much for us. And I mean, you can always go and check out how people have received money workbook all across the world, and how Access Tools have helped people come out of money issues. And yes, come into Aradhana's money workbook class. It's phenomenal. 21st to 30th October.
And people who don't want to pay and come also have a free choice of going to my YouTube, and there's a money workbook 5-day class I think I've done. But if you're not willing to pay, how are you willing to have? You want to hoard the money in one place and then take the money home. Money also likes to go out, party, have fun, have sex. You want to keep it in your own bank and money can afford.
I can actually give out a tool here, cheating Aradhana, but you pay for the money workbook class and you tell your money to come back to you in million ways. How about
and tell it to go have sex with everybody, whosoever houses and spaces you go, make money for them and come to me in exponentialized form. Let your money go out, guys. Don't be scared. The whole idea is that, oh, I can't create money. Interesting. Then keep holding. I mean,
and we are constantly sharing details of the classes on Access Aradhana group. So it's not like you don't know what's happening.
Torture that you guys have to go, but you get this free gift for that.
Amreen, did you have a question? Sorry, Amreen had buzzed in.
No, I just wanted to respond to what Amrit was saying कि pandemic है and Goa जाना है. So मुझे लगता है यार कि मतलब this is also an opportunity because right now tourism बहुत सस्ता है. So I mean, just go for it. I've recently went to Pushkar with my husband for 2 days. It was super fun. I did not no point of view about जाना है नहीं जाना है, जाना था चले गए. So yeah, I just wanted to share that.
सस्ता महंगा यार, तुम कोई सस्ते पैदा हुए? I don't like myself at all. I'm an expensive girl, guys. I'm a luxurious girl. So just think.
Yeah, Aradhana, you look expensive.
I am. I vouch for it. I am expensive.
So
Yeah.
Aradhana ji, so the YouTube channel, what you were talking about, the 5 days thing, can you just put it in the chat so that we can subscribe it?
Yeah. Umesh, can you put
Yeah, one of us will do that.
and the number?
Hi, Aradhana, I have a question.
Natasha, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm not that good.
Hanji.
Or like no, generally like COVID has been pretty challenging for me because I have to handle everything on my own and the building has become very
I
strict.
mean, your voice is coming and going. Natasha, can you be more clearer? You have a challenge of what? How come you do not have a challenge? It's not possible. My call doesn't get complete without your presence, darling. No, it's like, yeah, tell me.
But no, it's just that it's been like for COVID time our building was very strict, so and plus my housekeeper had also gone, so it was not been easy for me to handle everything on my own. Of course, it did help me access, but it wasn't too much ease for me, like
But
these few months.
But you're
Sorry?
you're surviving well. It looks well.
Yeah, but it's been still, I've been trying to do few things and it's not still opening up.
Right about that.
What?
What's right about that? उतनी शिद्दत से नहीं मांगा होगा. Natasha, I know you feel bad. It's okay. What if you actually receive what you are and what you've done first, receive what you did, and to be acknowledged with the ease you did. And okay, it was uncomfortable, but still you managed and you're alive and you're asking your question here today without your problems. First thing first, and then let's acknowledge that. And now what else is possible?
Yeah, I guess I'm not acknowledging it. Yeah.
I'd also like to share something on those lines. So I have this friend, and we were discussing how I have to do a bars class for her, and somehow like it wasn't actualizing, and I was like, oh, I mean, I really want to do a bars class, and I have this one participant. How can I, like get hold of her? Like, how do I do this? I was in that space, and but it wasn't actualizing, and then like I was constantly asking what's also right about this, and few days later she called me up and she said that how much your body is aware, Shivangi, that you did not come to my house because just our neighbors got COVID, and because of that we also have to quarantine. And I was like, wow, like that angle sort of didn't show up for me cognitively. Like cognitively I was just like, oh, I have to do this bars class, I have this one participant, let me get hold of her. But then it just worked, like the universe just worked out things for me. So really staying in that question of what's right about this, and then it opens up beautifully sometimes and sometimes it doesn't. But yeah, really what's right about this.
Yeah, but sometimes I feel I have to handle a lot of things.
Yeah.
But yeah, what's right about it? Yeah. Cool. Thanks so much. Yeah.
Well, it's 8, Aradhana. Just letting you know.
Yeah, that's I guess it gives a lot of clarity, unless my Shivangi has not questions to ask for today.
I will create yet another date with you. But truly, guys, like Money Workbook is something. It is. I mean, yes, of course, there's a lot of stuff available online. Please check out, and you're always invited to Aradhana's classes, 21st to 30th October, and also there's a Being You class coming up, 23rd, 24th, 25th of October. And anyone you know of or any of you guys are here in Jaipur, Aradhana is coming for a foundation class, live class, 15th to 18th of October. Yes, so there is a lot in store, and what else is possible?
Class happening in India.
Yes! Oh, how can I forget that?
Tomorrow is what I'm doing in Delhi.
Yeah.
In person or online, anybody wants to join me, and 11th, a lot of other girls, Shivangi, Sonali.
So, me, Sonali, Shilpi. And so it's happening in Bangalore, Nagpur, London, Delhi. I guess I've covered all cities. Yeah, I mean, if you have anybody or if you are there in that city and would like to do a bars class, please reach out to us.
Awesome. Great. Awesome, guys. Thank you so much. Hope this was contributed to you, and happy to see you all faces, people who didn't want to show their faces. Thank you. I will remember this, and I'm not going to meet you again. So if you don't want to see me, that's okay, but I'm still very grateful for all of you who are here, present, and please share it with as many who would share this recording on and keep following, and you will keep hearing the team and the Sonia.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Thank
Good
you.
night.